Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to merge text and image in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and type text. Type any text. Example, I type rock. Hold shift. Okay, then merge. Hold Control. Select layer and take with text. Then hold Control plus E. See this merge. Or again back right click. Find merge. See this merge layers. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.